So guess what? I spoke with Dr. Rosenthal for email, and he's sending me his exclusive new lecture series book that comes out on November the 30th, but he's sending it to me. So I'll get this book within a couple of days, and I am so thrilled. He is such an amazing person, and his research materials I've used to tutor every time, and I always recommend his book because I do enjoy it. So I cannot wait to see what this new book has installed. So he's sending me a copy hot off the press, and I am so excited. Like I said, Dr. Rosenthal, amazing person, amazing guy. Just from my conversations since last year. And he's sending me a copy, like he said, hot off the press, and he'll give it to me in a couple of days. Okay? This was 2 days ago. I'm waiting. I'm literally waiting. Not to mention, I'm the first one he told that his encyclopedia that was released today as an audio edition and is #1 in the medical education releases on Amazon. Like, that's huge. The book is also tagged as the Amazon bestseller. I mean, already? Then he goes to say the audio edition is nearly 30 hours and has a professional voiceover reader. Not to mention who presents the materials, right? As I do a short introduction, so he also just like has everything professionally done so that you will get the best experience. So I will be getting all these things in the mail soon. And I am so excited. So Dr. Rosenthal said, quote me on that. This is the best thing in Rosenthal publication history, and I agree. Congratulations, Dr. Rosenthal. Not that I think you'll see this because I don't think you have TikTok, but I've already applauded you, and kudos, and I can't wait. I'm excited.